Welcome to our channel, Warsdat, where we focus on honing your driving skills, providing in-depth knowledge about cars, and exploring the world of luxury sports cars, both modern and classic. Hit that subscribe button and join the ride. Let's explore, drive, and share the passion for cars together. Follow me. Learn more about driving skills and make your trip safer.
This is what we need to do, since we're turning left in this situation, is to get as close as possible to the right so that we have as much room as possible to maneuver. When we do that, we put the flasher to indicate that we're going to slow down or even stop if needed. Now we put our flasher to the left, and also extremely important here, the verifications, mirrors, and blind spot to the left. Keep in mind that in this case we'll be crossing two whole lanes on a two-way street, so we have to make sure that we check the mirrors and blind spot to make sure there's nobody coming from behind, and also a last check at the front to make sure nobody's coming from there either. So we do that, and if the coast is clear in both directions, we accelerate smoothly. And the trick here, as with all situations, where we're in a tight spot, is to turn the wheel completely to the left, meaning until it blocks. Then we advance as far as we can to the left. Now we put in reverse, do our verifications again to both sides before backing up, and again accelerating smoothly. We turn the wheel completely to the right, and we back up as much as we can. Now we put in DR first, verification